This is Farming with Chef Mollie, and I'm Chef Mollie, and today is our first olive harvest. Our trees here are about 2.5 years old. Out of several hundred, we had 81 trees that made olives this year, so we're gonna have enough to press. This will be the first year that we're gonna have olive oil. We're very excited to have olives for the olive oil, for curing olives, but also for the medicinal benefits of olive leaf, as well as the benefits of a perennial tree that stays in the ground for 100 years plus and produces food. That is a regenerative farmer's dream. Olive leaf is a super powerful antiviral medicine, and you can just take the leaves wet or dry. You can dry them in the oven or you can dry them in the sun, and you can keep them in your cupboard. And then you just want to put them in a French press or in a quart jar, and you want to pour the hot water over them. And if you want to get full extract, you could leave it overnight in the quart jar with the boiling water and then reheat it in the morning, or have it as iced tea the next day. I often just put it in and only let it steep like regular tea for a few minutes and enjoy it. It's a very mild flavor. We put it in almost all of our tea bundles in our CSA boxes, so you have other tea herbs to mix with it. But my mother used to give me capsulized olive leaf for anti-inflammatory and antiviral and immune boosting qualities when I was growing up, but we didn't have olive trees in New York, so I didn't have the opportunity to make tea out of it. But we're very excited that you can make tea out of the leaves and keep yourself healthy. We got a bunch of volunteers, and we are picking the olives so that we can send it to the mill tomorrow, because you gotta send it within 24 hours to make, and this is gonna turn into extra virgin olive oil tomorrow. We don't have quite enough to mill by ourselves, so we've joined forces with another organic farm that is milling at the same time. Welcome to Olive Harvest Day. I'm gonna take you around and show you some harvesting and everybody having fun. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel, and I invite you to comment down below, ask me any questions that you want. I'm learning, and I'm happy to share whatever I've been learning so that other people cannot make the mistakes that I've made in the past. And if there's anything you want to know about that we're doing here on the farm, please let us know, because we want to make the videos that you want to see. Thank you for checking out Farming with Chef Mollie.